man. Florida got the heat, A, and the scenery, y'all feel me? Woo! Somebody turn the sun down.
Damn, Florida really out here flexing it. I need a drink before I pass out. Bruh, this ain't heat, this is slow roast, and I'm the entree. Yo, barkeep, hit me with something cold before I turn into fried chicken. Aye, big chain, you want the real party? Hit Club Flamingo tonight. That's where the heat really at. All right, Club Flamingo, your boy Hood Parrot's here. Let's make some noise. Whoa, sorry, bro. We ain't letting no hood parrots in tonight. What? My Jordan's cleaner than this whole club, man.
A light, they don't want the drip inside? I'll make my own party out here. Who's with me? People on TikTok comment part 2 if you want to see the next episode.